Hi Gabby Cats, it's me Violet Dollhouse Artist and another mukbang today. It's a Burger King mukbang this time. You know how much everybody loves Burger King, so I'm gonna do it today. Let's go. I got here mozzarella sticks. I love those things because they're stretchy. We now have chicken fries. Really delicious. I've never tried tasting these. But I'll try. It would be better if we had cheese dip. We also have French fries. Not a really burnt one.
Huh?
But that's okay.
Ano tayo? So you go to ate and tell her to give you some bag for take out.
Okay.
Ay, mamaya na tapos mong kumain, tapos mong mag-vlog.
I think this is the end of the video. Like, share, and subscribe to Violet Dollhouse Artist, and I'll see you for another mukbang. Bye, guys.